Welcome to another video in the Legal Studies Terms series. Today we're looking at aggravating factors. Put simply, this is anything that makes the offence more serious. These factors are only taken into account once a guilty verdict has been reached. This is during the sentencing process where a judge or magistrate will decide what punishment the offender will receive. There are three main categories that aggravating factors fall into. Firstly, the offence. Was it perhaps particularly violent or gratuitously violent? Was it cruel? Did it cause a particularly serious injury to the victim? Or was it motivated by prejudice or hatred of some kind? Next to be taken into account is the victim. Were they particularly vulnerable, i.e. the young or elderly or disabled? Were they targeted due to their profession, i.e. perhaps a police officer or a school teacher? Another part of sentencing are victim impact statements. This is where statements are read out looking at what impact the crime has had on the victim's life. Finally, the offender themselves. While previous offences cannot be taken into account whether determining a person is guilty or not, they certainly are an aggravating factor during sentencing. Also, if the offender was perhaps in a position of authority and abused that trust. For example, a teacher abusing the trust of students in some formal manner. Or perhaps a medical professional abusing the trust of a patient. So, what occurs during sentencing? Well, the prosecutor will argue that aggravating factors should be taken into account for a more harsh sentence, and the defence lawyers will argue mitigating circumstances. These arguments will then be taken into account by the magistrate or judge, who then gives his sentence and explains and justifies why. So that's aggravating factors. If you found this video helpful and want to be notified when more of their type come out, click the subscribe button or check out other similar videos in the playlist. Thanks for watching.